If YouTube suddenly isn't showing certain adult videos, don't assume your account is broken. There is one setting that can restrict what YouTube allows to see, and many users never realize it turned on. In this video, I will show you exactly where to find it and what you need to change. But there is one important thing you need to know before you turn anything off. So stay until the end because I will show you how to check whether restricted mode is being controlled by your network or administrator. Okay, first, just go to the settings. After that, Google, and then tap your Google account and then manage your Google account. And then scroll all the way down and then tap Get Help. And then scroll down. And then here in the search bar, type Edge. And you see this one, Access Age Restricted Content and Features. Tap on it. And then tap in the blue box, Verify Your Age. Okay, here you need to verify your age. Here, use your ID, share your ID, and after that, take a selfie. And then after you do that, just go back to the main settings, back, and then here, all services, and then scroll down, and then here, sensitive content warnings. Tap on it. And here, warning in Google Messages. This is by default is on. And here, if this is on, you don't have access to all the photos and videos. But if you want to have access to all the adult photos and videos, you need to turn it off. Okay, and then go back again, and then tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and then tap Parental Controls. And here you can stop the restriction, but you can do this only if you are adult. Yeah, here just click let's do this and then follow the processor. Okay, other thing, what you need to do, just go to YouTube application, and in YouTube you have here blur on and blur off. Just select blur off. Yeah, this is what you need to do. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.